If you are going to be investing in real estate for capital gain, then you should be buying either of these two properties that I will be sharing with you in this video. I'm Emmanuel, the founder at naijapropertyzone, where we have been helping people to make secure and profitable real estate investment for the past 4 years. And if it's your very first time on this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so you can be the first to know when we drop valuable real estate content just like the one you are about to. The population of Lagos is forecasted to hit 50 million people by the year 2050, and that will be putting Lagos ahead of cities like the New York as the world's most largest city by population. From Dubai to London and down to Lagos, the real estate industry has been forecasted to grow at an enormous rate in 2022. So, as an astute investor, you should be looking forward towards investing in real estate, especially in these cities which I have mentioned, most particularly Lagos, Nigeria. It's February of the year already, and it's no longer news that 2022 is still a very good year. I mean, a better year for you to put in your hard-earned money in real estate investment, especially if you are going to be targeting a fast developing, fast growing city just like Lagos, Nigeria. Then I think you should be watching this video to the very end, because the tips I'm about to share with you are going to come very much handy. To put things a bit in context, the Lagos housing deficit currently stands at about 3 million, and it is growing annually at about 600,000 housing gap. All of the houses that have been supplied into the Lagos state real estate market is just standing currently at 200,000. That is a huge gap. Lagos, as a growing city, boasts of mega development which are coming to completion in the next 1 to 2 years, making Lagos real estate market one of the best, if not the best, places to put your money in 2022. Of course, there are various ways to earn money from the real estate sector: earnings from annual rentals, earning from the short-let market, earning from flipping. But then, if you are particular about capital gain and you are ready to wait for a year to 2 years, then you should be putting your money in any of these two property type that I'm about to share with you. The first property type still remains land. Now you might be wondering, why is Emmanuel telling me to keep buying land, in 2022? Of course, you might wonder and say, okay, I've got enough land, I've got enough, I've bought land before, and you have 1 or 2 issues probably, in liquidating them when you want to liquidate and all of those. Let me tell you, 2022 is still a very good year to put your money in land, especially if you are going to be buying in some strategic location. Now, without wasting much of your time, anywhere along the Lekki-Epe Expressway is a hotspot. I call it a hotspot because if you find land in any estate, good estate, facing the Lekki-Epe Expressway, you should jump on it. Now, there are some lands that are for commercial purpose. You want to build a filling station, you want to build a hotel, you want to build a school, you want to build a mall. You should be targeting land that are standing alone facing the express. Ensure you have done a proper due diligence, and you ensure that the required setback is done. Ensure that there is no right of way passing on your land, and you will be smiling to the bank in a year or two. Now, this land doesn't mean you have to buy and build this filling station or school or whatever I've mentioned in this video. You can just buy, hold for a year or two, and sell. I can confirm to you that there are properties, land along the Lekki-Epe Expressway that are going to be recording around 500% in the next 1 to 2 years. This kind of property are the kind of one you should be targeting if you are looking to invest in land for capital gain in 2022. The second of the most hottest real estate deal you should be jumping on in 2022 for capital gain are off-plan projects, specifically in upscale locations. Upscale locations have to do with locations that already have the basic amenities already in place. You are not waiting for roads to be done. You are not waiting for light to come. Light is already there. Road is already there. Access to major things that makes life worth living are already there. For example, if you're talking about places like Lekki Phase 1, Ikate, Ikoyi, Banana Island, these are places that you can easily jump on off-plan project and recoup good ROI, between the time when the project kickstarts and the time when it is completed. Some property at the beginning stage, can sell, for example, let's say 50 million naira for a 2-bedroom apartment. and as at the time when this project is being completed, when it is ready to move in, you can sell that same property you bought 50 million naira 2 years ago, for around 75 million naira. That's a whopping 50% ROI in 24 months. Now, I use 24 months because most of the projects, that are ongoing around the Katileki, Koiban Island are high-rise. They are relatively higher in height. And of course, most of them, take about 24 months to completion. It's usually 24 months, to around 36 months, for completion. So off-plan projects in upscale location, land strategically located, are one of the best properties to be buying in 2022 if you are looking out for capital gain. Do not forget capital gain. If you are looking for cash flow, these two may not be the best for you, right? So I'll be doing a video to address that area later. But of course, capital gain, you have this money, you're not sure what the economy will look like, in the next 1 year, specifically because this is a pre-election year, right? So if you have Naira, you are looking for an investment to put that money, to plug that money in, you want that your money to, maintain its value, and if, possible, grow in value, then these two are the best. Remember, real growth in value must grow at a rate that is above the inflationary rate, and not just inflationary rate, also the conversion rate, the performance of Naira in the Forex. So if you like what you've seen in this video, please do not forget, like I said earlier on, to subscribe to this channel, and also click that notification bell so you'll be the first to get access to our valuable content that we will be dropping on this channel. Thanks for watching.